Hey guys, welcome back to Hustler's algorithm. Today we will be solving this problem, leaf similar trees. So you can go through the problem statement, but what it says is we have been given two trees and we have to check if the root values of this tree is equal to the root values of this trees in the left to right order. The root values here are 6, 7, 4, 9, 8, and in the next tree we have 6, 7, 4, 9, 8. So the leaf values are in the similar order from left to right. So we'll just return true. So yeah, we have to check for such trees. So let's see. So let's say we have these two trees. So now what we can do is we can just run a DFS, and from left to right we'll add the leaf nodes into our list. So let's say we have this leaf node here. Let's add it into list. Then the DFS will visit this node. Just add it into our list, and again for the second tree we'll do the similar stuff, do DFS and add 2 into our list, then add 3 into our list. So yeah, so if these two lists are similar, then just return true, else return false. So let's see another example. Let's say we have one here, then two and three and maybe four, and again we have another tree like this, two, and we have three here. Okay, so here the DFS will put this 2 into the list, then as 4 is the next leaf node we'll add 4. So similarly for the second tree we have 2 as our leaf node, and we have 3. So now we can see that these two lists are not similar, so we'll just return false. So let's start coding it. Let's run a DFS. Now here we'll just start from the root and we'll maintain the list. If the root is just null, then return, else if the root is the leaf node, then just add this node into our answer. Then just go to the left subpart and then just go to the right subtree and do the same stuff. Okay, okay, so we'll just get these two lists. Let's run the DFS for the first root, which will be the first tree, and then just give this first list. Will not return the list here, we are just updating it. Okay, so now just add another tree. Yeah, so our these two lists will be populated. So let's see if these are equal. Okay, so if these are equal, then we'll just return true, else we'll just return false. Okay, so let's run it. What is the problem? Okay, so it is ls1 and ls2 here. Let's run again. So yeah, let's submit it. So yeah, it gets accepted. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you.